At Baltu Technologies, we believe training should be free for everyone. That's why we're offering our free Fiber Optic Technician Training Program. This employment-driven, comprehensive 4-week hybrid course is designed to equip you with essential skills in fiber optics. Aligned with Fiber Optic Association standards, our flexible and accessible program combines online learning with in-person labs. Our program is great for those facing challenges accessing traditional education. You'll benefit from expert-led instruction and hands-on experience. Plus, graduates will receive guaranteed interview opportunities with leading industry employers, paving the way for your new career as a fiber optic technician. Submit an interest form today and take the first step towards a future-proof career working with technology.